What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. I am currently on the way to my mate's phone shop because I've got to go and drop a phone off, funnily enough. I'm not just rolling around the streets on a bike in full leathers as you've just seen. I'm going to run an errand. I use Android, Samsung, come on, my Android people. But I've got an iPhone that I need to drop off to him, which I use for recording purposes. And it's acting up. So, you catch me approaching Hagley Road, where there's going to be a speed limit of 30. And I'm on an S1000 just to get in front of all of them. I'm doing 43 and a 30. I need to slow down. There we go. You've seen two mods. One is the quad lock red clip release, and the other one is the TWM Special Components red fuel cap cover. Now, I have more mods in the post, currently in transit. Ideally, what I'd like to do is have them all come in one go, so I can do them all together. But they're all taking a piss. Royal Mail taking a piss. So I'm gonna have to wait and do one by one as they've come. So hopefully they come within the next few days. Now, this is boring as hell. Doing 29 in a 30 on Hagley Road. If I had a flip and dip plate, we could have had some fun, but I don't have one. What I do want to talk about is Surons. I think they're wicked, but the price isn't. I think they go for about 3.5, 4 quid. And by that I mean 4 grand. Me having one of these for 4 grand, I could buy another bike like a Honda Grom and learn how to do wheelies. I am actually considering it. Whether I do it or not is a completely different story, but 4.5 grand for a Suron electric bike, it's a lot. It's a lot of money. I want to know what they're like to ride. I want to ride one. I don't know anyone who's got one. I want one, but those Surons, if anyone's got one, hit me up. I want to know what they're like to ride. I want to know how fast they go. Apparently they do about 70 real quick, so that should be fun. You knob. But yeah, anyone who's got a Suron, hit me up. What are they like to have? What are they like to ride? Maintenance, all of that good stuff. I really want to have a go on one, but I don't know anyone who's got one. I reckon it'd be a laugh. Come down, drop a gear, indicate, turn. What is happening here? Now my mate voice noted me on WhatsApp, and he goes, there's a bunch of bikers outside of his shop. Someone else apparently with a double R. He's not into bikes that much, so he doesn't know if it's 3rd gen or 4th gen, but if they're still there, we shall see. There you go, sir. Done that, I'm going. You're not going to give me way, so I'm going to take it. It's not about waiting in traffic. It really isn't. I can legally filter, so why not? Now, are these bikers still here, what he was talking about? I don't think they are. She's dressed smart. Possible estate agent. Possible anything else. Are there bikers here? No, there are no bikers here. They all seem to have disappeared. Now, let me find neutral, which is going to take about an hour. And turn this bad boy off. I should let me stick it up there. Good, yeah? Let me take these off. Oh yeah, there are bikers there. What is he on? A Ninja. I believe he's on a Ninja. Oh, there's two bikers there. Oh, there is a double R there. Come on. Another S1K. He clearly has an exhaust on his. And his is a second gen. Oof. That sounded nice. Ooh. I don't know how I'm going to get off the bike. Hold on, hold on. Oh my god. Where you been, bruh? Yeah.
They're doing this year, so it's down there, it's plate, isn't there?
Yeah, flip and dip plate. Gen 2 S1K.
I don't know what it was, but yeah, it was nice, but I said it, I said double R, black one.
Oh, a little side random documentary in it. Alright people, I'll catch you when I get back on the bike.
3 days later.
Come on. Pulling out on me, giving me evils. What a clown. What BMW is this? And is it on charge? Don't look bad, that. Is that a 4 Series? I believe it might be. And indeed it is, it's an i4. Dangerous, dangerous as hell. Gotta keep your eyes wide open, people. Getting back to it, Sarons. I want one. Do I want to pay 4 grand for it? No. Am I going to pay 4 grand for it? No. Is it worth it? If I didn't have this, then most definitely I would get one. Definitely. But seeing as I have this, and it's a lot faster and more fun, that looks nice. I like that. A4 Avant. Cool, blimey, these lights are taking ages. shit. That was mad, yo. I leant off the bike, had my arse hanging off, my knee slightly to an angle. There's no way I was near touching the floor, nowhere near, but just practicing, moving from side to side at the minute, which is mad scary and weird. That was dangerous. That was so dangerous. My fault and theirs. Am I gonna make it through this? Indeed I am. Indeed I am. Come on, let me make it through. I would have tried that, but couldn't be arsed with the faffing around to filter through all of that. Oh. It's starting to get nippy now. The riding season over, so to speak. But are we still gonna ride? Better believe it. Am I waiting in these lights? Better believe it. Oh, is he on the blower? He's clearly on the phone, and he's an Uber as well. Brilliant. I seem to be living in Ubers these days. There's a biker behind me. We're gonna go this way, and he's still behind me. What bike is he on? Oh. Don't even know what bike he's on. Oh wow, he clearly overtook me. We are not waiting in this. Right, uphill, I'm trying to keep balance. I'm not trying to put my foot down. This should be fun. This is all going to be clutch control, throttle control, and balance. The minute I put my foot down, I will tell the truth. Yeah, of course I will. Oh. I didn't put my foot down. Don't do no madness, it's here. Do it now. Ooh. And on that note, people, peace out. See you on the next one.